Hey guys, I'm at the Darasuram temple in India, which is 850 years old, and here we can see the smallest carvings in the world. Let's take a look at this bull carved on one of the pillars. This is about 2 inches wide, but it also shows all the features of a bull. You can see the hump, the horns, ears and eyes. There is even an extended tail, but look carefully and you can see the hoofs and even the nostril, which is just 1 millimeter wide, carved on it. Now compare this with the carvings of the largest bull in the world. This is also situated in India in a place called Lepakshi, which is about 300 miles away. This bull is nearly 15 feet tall and 27 feet long. The smallest carving of the bull is so small that you can place 10 of them inside the toenail or the dew claw of the largest bull. But this 2-inch bull is not really the smallest carving in the temple. Some of the carvings are even smaller. This carving is less than 2 inches tall and shows Lord Shiva, and we can even identify the weapons and objects he's holding in his multiple hands. Here's a lion which is just 1.5 inches long. It's a shame that the temple has gone through many centuries of corrosion. Many of these carvings have deteriorated. Here is the dancing elephant god, which is even smaller. He's just 1 inch long. You can see his crown, pot belly, and his arms and legs in a dancing posture. Of course, we have to wonder how ancient builders were able to create 1-inch carvings 850 years ago. Remember, I showed you the skulls in Hoysaleswara temple. These are also 1 inch wide. They are completely hollow and you can pass a twig through one of the ears and can pull it out through the eyes. Were these amazing carvings created using advanced machines or with primitive tools? But there are carvings even smaller than this at the Darasuram temple. Here's a carving less than 1 inch wide and actually consists of 2 figures, Lord Shiva and his wife, in a sitting posture. This means that each figure is less than ½ an inch in size. Even today you can see that people smear saffron powder on this carving as a ritual. This ritual has corroded this carving to a considerable extent, but even after 8 centuries, we are able to identify these ½ inch gods because of their features. But all this is nothing because we are only looking at the full carvings. We have to examine the details on the carvings to really appreciate ancient technology. Here's Lord Shiva in the form of a beggar, and look carefully and you will see a begging bowl in his hand. This bowl is carved to the size of black pepper or peppercorn, which is just 4 millimeters wide. Here's the wife of Shiva, and you can see the religious dot on her forehead. This is less than 2 millimeters. You can even see the smile on her face. Some of the details are so small even to capture with my camera. But if you visit this temple, please do examine these pillars. But be very careful because see these designs which look like Egyptian pyramids? The tips of these pyramids are less than 1 millimeter wide and they will prick you like needles. And this is after 850 years of corrosion. So imagine how sharp they must have been when they were created. But the question is, how can anyone create needle-sharp carvings on solid rocks with primitive tools like chisels and hammers? I mean, less than 1 millimeter wide? How did ancient builders accomplish this? Half-inch deities recognizable after 850 years of corrosion? A bowl the size of black pepper, just 4 millimeters wide? Sharp points less than 1 millimeter that can still prick like needles? Were these created with primitive tools, or were ancient builders using advanced technology? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I am Praveen Mohan. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell button to get all the updates. Please give this video a thumbs up and do share it with your friends. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.